All right, welcome back everybody to your daily Forex 5-minute Forex wrap-up, where we give you all the day's news stories, all the key events, all the economic data that you need to know about to stay up to date in the world of Forex. All right, today was a big day because guess what? The European session is coming up, and with that, we got some very important economic data out of the UK and also out of the Eurozone. And that sent ripples throughout the Forex market, and especially the pound and euro pairs. Let's go and check it out. Okay, so we're starting off with the EUR GBP. EUR GBP stabilized above the 0.8600 level despite the UK economy beating all expectations for growth. Now, what happened was this. The Office for National Statistics said that Q3 GDP rose by 0.5% versus the 0.4% that was expected, and also the upward revision of 0.2% for the second quarter. Now, that was all good news for the British pound, but it wasn't so good for the euro because the Eurozone's final manufacturing and service sector PMIs both fell to 53.8 in November from 54.7 a month earlier, underscoring a faltering recovery. Now, the main takeaway here is that the Eurozone's private sector continued to expand in November, but at a slower pace due to weaker demand, which contributed to a further drop in new business. And as a result of that, we saw the euro fall against the US dollar and also the British pound. We saw EUR USD go down to the 1.0335 level, and we saw EUR GBP go down to 0.8590. However, at the time of this recording, EUR GBP is slightly up on the day at 0.86 on 10. Now, we also got some other data out of the UK. We had the manufacturing and service sector PMIs, and they both beat expectations. The manufacturing PMI came in at 49.2 versus the 48.5 that was expected, and the services PMI came in at 50.2 versus the 49.2 that was expected. Now, even though those PMIs are still below the 50 level, indicating a contraction, the fact that they beat expectations once again gave the British pound a little bit of a boost. Now, looking ahead to tomorrow, we have the Bank of England's November meeting minutes, and the market is almost pricing in a 75 basis point rate hike. So if that does happen, then we could see the pound strengthen further. But if the BOE takes a more dovish tone and says that maybe they'll slow down the rate hikes or they'll stop altogether, then we could see the pound sell off. All right, that is all I got for you for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button. It helps out the channel tremendously. Also, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos. And if you really want to support the channel, become a member. There's a link down below. All right, now we got one last video to record and then I'm done for the day. So let's go and do that.